Hi everyone, today we're going to learn about the extended side angle pose. This pose is featured in this month, December's yoga sequence of the month. So let's just get into it. I like to start on my hands and my knees, so start off in tabletop pose. Tuck the back toes. Lift your hips up and back into downward facing dog. Press into the aisles of your hands. Relax the shoulders away from your ears. Press your chest towards your thighs. Your knees can be bent to lengthen the spine. If your spine is lengthened, lower your heels towards the mat. Inhale your leg up, doesn't matter which one. Inhale, a leg up. Step that foot in between your hands. Come up on the back toes. Now you're into a low lunge. Seal the back heel down. Keep the bend in the front knee. Cartwheel your arms up parallel to the floor. Here we are in Warrior Two. Center your shoulders over your hips. Keep a deep bend in that front knee. To go into extended side angle pose, you're just gonna flip your palms and move your arms, extending that bottom arm down towards the ankle or towards your calf, or maybe even towards the knee. Pull your top biceps next to your ear. Spinning your chest towards the ceiling, eye gaze is looking up. Pull that top shoulder back. Extended side angle pose. Now, there are a number of ways that you can modify or advance this pose.